welcome back. I hope you're doing so well. Today I have been joined with my bestest friend, my sister and friend of the channel, Lauren. And you may have seen her from some of my previous videos. And today we are going to be trying out the Spoolies.
Spoonies.
Have you seen these before?
I have.
So if you haven't seen these before, they are heatless hair curlers. And I've been asked to do a tutorial on them and see how they work, basically, do a demo for you. Unfortunately, I'm unable to use these on my hair because it is simply too long, but Lauren has the perfect hair for the Spoolies. They're perfect for shorter hair or medium length hair. So these Spoolies are made from medical grade materials, so they're non-toxic and they are allergenic. So that is really good. So these are a heatless way to curl your hair, which is particularly beneficial for Lauren because she has not long ago had a baby and you have suffered the whole baby hair loss.
I lost loads and loads of hair after I had a baby, handfuls and handfuls of hair, which is quite common, but it's quite traumatic at the time. But it's all started to grow back, so I've got all these tiny little baby hairs coming through at the back of my head as well. And because it's sort of fresh hair, you don't want to use heat because it will damage the new hair. So I've been staying away from everything, including my curling tongs and my straighteners. So this is a great thing to try and see if it works.
Yeah, I'm quite excited to give these a go.
Yep, me too.
Also, another reason I wanted to do these is because I wanted to see if they're any good for spoonies. And if you don't know what a spoonie is a metaphor for describing someone with a chronic illness or a disability. And spoons are a metaphor of our energy levels and how sometimes we can be restricted with our energy levels. And if you don't know what the spoon theory is, then just go and check out my video here and I explain all about it. But curling your hair can take up a lot of energy or a lot of spoons. And also because they're heatless as well, if you've got any connective tissue disorders or you have any nerve damage or anything like that, you're not going to damage or hurt yourself in the process because they are completely heatless. Also, we've gone for the jumbo spoolies, so they're nice and big, so we're hoping to get that really nice Californian beach wave. They're really easy to use if your hands aren't so dexterous. I will be demonstrating them in just a minute, but you roll them up the hair and then you just simply clip it over itself, and you don't need to use any pins or anything like that.
And that holds the curl in place, does it?
Yeah, it does. And then it just pops out and then you roll it off. So, shall we give these bad boys a go?
Let's do it.
Okay, so we have gone for the jumbo spoolies, as I said, that come in this gorgeous electric blue. And I think there's 15 in the pack. And we also have the Beach Wave Leave-In Curl Enhancer, which is infused with cranberry seed oil and all sorts of lovely goodness. This is actually a concentrated serum, so you just need to put a little bit on your hands and then run it through the hair. You can put it on wet hair and you can put it on dry hair as well. So we're going to be doing that in Lauren's hair in just a minute. Okay, so as you can see, Lauren's hair is pretty beautiful already, and you have a natural bit of a wave in your hair, don't you? But with these spoolies we're going to try and get more of an even, more bouncy,
more curl.
Fluid curl, yes. What I'm going to do first of all is I am going to section the top half of Lauren's hair up out of the way, and we're going to have the bottom section as our working section. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I use Beach Wave and Curl Leave-In Conditioner and Curl Enhancer. Ooh, it's quite creamy actually. Look. To smell? Sorry! I didn't do that on purpose.
How
Sorry.
Luckily, it smells nice. I'll just put that in my hair.
Oh god, it does smell nice. It smells really fresh. This is available to purchase on the old website. And I'm just going to run this through your hair. Now, before I go on, just to let you know, if you do like the look of these spoonies, we are giving away a set over on my Instagram page. So make sure you go and head over to my Instagram page. I'll leave it down there so you can go and find it. I'm going to take one of the spoolies and I'm going to take about an inch section of hair. Yes, we can see that. And I'm going to put it in mid-strand. And then I'm going to roll the bottom half up. And then I'm going to roll the rest of it up. And then all we do to secure is place it like that over it, and it sits in there really nicely. Another section, so I've got an inch section of hair, and again we're going to go mid-strand, and then I'm going to roll it up from the bottom and then roll it the rest of the way, and then it's going to go, and then we squeeze it over and it clips in really, really nicely. I'm quite happy with that. That section halfway done. I've just done 3 round the back here, and then I'm going to do another 3 this side. That's what's on. Bottom section already done, and we have done that in about 5 or 10 minutes actually, so that's not bad going at all. What would you say your hair thickness is?
Yeah, I'd say my hair's a medium thickness. It's quite fine, but I've got quite a lot of it. That's what I've been told before. So yeah, medium.
Yeah, I'd say so. Awesome! Right, so on with the next section. Much easier working with an adult rather than a child. Which, by the way, these spoolies are great for children because they are heatless. They are quite quick to do and you can sleep in them.
Now I am just going to section off her hair again, and then I'm going to work around that section, filling it up with the spoonies.
Okay, Lauren, we are done, and that probably took less than half an hour. That was our first attempt.
About almost bang on half an hour.
Yeah, and we were talking in between that, and yes, I think if you were to do it on your own,
no problem.
Yeah?
No problem, yeah. I'm keen to see the result, because if this is good, I'm really excited, because it means that I don't have to be with a plug socket, I don't have to be by a mirror, like I said, if you can do it by feel, just sat in front of the TV.
Yeah, they're really easy to use, aren't they?
Since filming, Lauren has been loving her spoolies, and she can now do a whole head of hair in just 15 minutes.
And how many have we used in your hair?
I think 19.
About 19.
About 19.
I used kind of inch thick sections. Possibly we could have gone for 1.5 to 2 inch sections, but we don't know yet and we will let you know. So yeah, we're going to leave these in for a few hours now. I was reading on the website they were saying 3 to 4 hours, or you can sleep with them in. And we're going to come back and we'll see how they are.
Yes.
And now we're back from outer space. Yeah, we've just had some nice lunch. The tuna melts.
Yeah.
Cheese melts for lunch.
Yeah.
And so we've left these in for, it's 2 o'clock now, so 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 hours. And we're going to see what they're like. Okay, so just from looking here, down at the bottom, we have had a little bit of droppage, haven't we? And I think that's my fault because I don't think I put enough hair in there. So when I do these again, I would put more hair in. Whereas these ones at the top where I put more hair in, they haven't dropped. So that would be my top tip. So let's see what these are like. Da-da-da-dum.
It's a curly end.
We got a bit of curl. There we go.
Do you want me to take some?
The moment. See what he's like.
So another reason I really love these spoolies, and I think they're great for spoonies, is that they are really, really light as well, so don't cause you any pain or any discomfort whilst using them. They're also perfect for all hair types as well.
Not the least.
Oh, it looks good. Look, compared to the straightness of mine, look at how much volume and body you've got. Look at that one!
Look at that.
That is a beauty. Why do you think that one is like amazingly good? Because you did it?
Yeah. No, because it had more hair in it.
So this is where we went wrong.
I think so.
I was trying to be more ambitious. But look at that. Let's just have a look down camera 1. Oh my god! Oh, I think it's beautiful.
That looks jolly lovely.
What? Yeah? Are you pleased?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
Yes, I would. I almost want to do it again because I think that now we've done one,
Yeah.
I think learn from the mistakes. I think it was too little hair, so it couldn't hold on to anything.
I think they're great. And for people who may have disabilities or problems doing curls, as I said earlier on in the video, I would feel quite happy recommending this product to you. Being heatless and quite easy to use. They're not too fiddly.
No, very simple. Once you get the hang of it, very simple.
Yeah, and so quick. Some of these heatless styling methods take so long.
Yes, days of your life.
Days. Literally days. Oh, yes. So first of all, let's give Spoolies a big thumbs up. And make sure you go and check out their website. Also, make sure you check out all of the charity work that they have done as well, because yeah, I just
It's a really
think
good
that's,
cause.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Really, really awesome. And yeah, if you would like to win a bag of the Spoolies, then head over to my Instagram page where we are giving one lucky winner a bag of Spoolies. And Lauren, as a massive thank you for coming on the show today, for coming on the video today, I would love to present to you a bag of Spoolies.
Why, thank you very much.
Oh, you're
How
most
kind
welcome.
of you.
You're most
So our
welcome.
sister Wheels will have curly hair for a long time yet.
Oh yes. And will you send us some pictures? How
I
you getting
will.
on?
I
Stay in
will.
contact.
Keep in touch.
Keep it real. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to
Give a thumbs up.
give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Mwah!